Hello everyone, thank you for watching our video. We wish to introduce you our wooden spoon hot pressing machine. In this video, the wooden spoon hot pressing machine is a small type, which is semi-automatic. The power is 2.4 kW. The efficiency per day by a skillful worker is about 20,000 pieces to 30,000 pieces per day. One person in charge of one machine. This machine should be worked with air compressor. You can change the mode easily. This is the wooden spoon fork before hot pressing. It is a flat shape. For this machine, it only presses the head part of the wooden spoon or fork. This machine has many merits. For example, it only presses the head part. One person operates one machine. High output. Less consumption of electricity. Small floor space needed. Easy for moving. Easy for mode changing. Fewer wearing parts. Easy operation. This machine should be worked with air compressor. It is suitable for a small setup. Choosing best machine, choosing high quality. If you wish to know more information about this machine, videos and price list, welcome to contact us. We keep machine innovation all the times. If you wish to have machines with higher output and more automatic or fully automatic, we also have other models for choosing. Don't hesitate to contact us for more information. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.